Assalamualaikum to audience. Welcome to International Center Bangladesh. This is Binar talking from amazing batch KET176 and this is my part.
Hello, I'm Naufal. I'm from the amazing batch KT176. Today we will present a dialogue on Sly Fox and the Radiant. So let's get started.
Hello, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine too. Do you know the story The Sly Fox and the Red Hen?
Yes, I know.
Can I ask you some questions from that story?
Yes, sure.
Okay. How many characters were in the story?
3 characters in the story. Where did the fox live?
The fox lived in the forest. Where did the hen live?
The hen lived in the tree. What was the color of the bag?
The color of the bag was black. Who got the hen?
The fox caught the hen. Who tipped the heavy bag on the hot cooking pot?
The fox tipped the heavy bag on the hot cooking pot. Was the hen clever?
Yes, the hen was clever. Uh, uh, who tricked the fox?
The hen tricked the fox. Who? What splashed on the sly fox?
The hot water splashed on Sly Fox.
Thank you for listening to us.
Goodbye.